Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SoFi app link bank for investing deposits step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your smartphone is connected to the internet. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type SoFi. Press the search icon to view the results. Locate the SoFi app in the search results. Tap on the SoFi app to access its details. Review the app description to confirm it's the official SoFi app. Next, tap the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the SoFi app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the SoFi app icon to launch it. If you already have an account, select Login. If you're a new user, choose Sign Up to create and follow the prompts to enter your personal information. This may include your name, email address, and phone number. You might also need to create a strong password. After entering your information, read and accept the terms and conditions. Next, you may be required to verify your identity. This can involve providing additional documentation or answering security questions. Once your account is set up, navigate to the banking section within the app. Here, you will find options for linking a bank account. Select the option to link your bank for investing deposits. Follow the prompts to securely link your chosen bank account. Enter your bank information as required. You might need to complete a micro-deposit verification process. This will ensure the bank connection is secure and valid. Now you can deposit funds into your SoFi account for investing. Explore the app to discover investment options available to you. Stay updated on your investments through the app's dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.